Bambini time.
Hello, Bambini lovers. Welcome to the Bambini Show. My name is Hatwell, and today we are at the Early Bird School inside Taifa to witness their spelling bee competition. And don't you forget, the Bambini Show is your #1 children's TV and educative show. I know my kids love learning new words and spelling as well. So let's ask them how prepared they are towards the competition. Hello, sweetheart. What's your name?
My name is Seth Dochi.
Seth, which form?
I'm in Form 2.
Form 2. Are you really prepared for this competition?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
High five, guy. High five. What's your name, sweetheart?
Michael Duncan.
Oh, Michael, speak louder for me, okay? I'm your friend. Speak louder.
Michael Duncan.
Michael, what are your expectations towards the competition? What do you think you are going to, whether you're going to win, you're going to lose? What do you think?
We are going to win.
You're going to win. What's up, guys? Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's your name, sweetheart?
I'm called Akosia Ife.
Akosia. What's the name of your group?
Kumaku House.
Kumaku
House.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Jessica Dochi.
Jessica Dochi. What do you expect towards this competition?
We expect to be the best to win.
You are expecting to win?
Yes.
You have opponents too. You're not contesting alone, no?
Yes.
You have opponents.
Yes.
So you think you are going to win?
Yes.
High five for that. High five. What's your name?
Caroline.
Caroline. What's your name, sweetheart?
Brina.
Brina. Which group or which house are you representing?
Beckley House.
Beckley House. You too?
Yes.
Same. Do you think you are going to win?
Yes, we are going to win. Beckley House is house 1, so 1 is first.
So Beckley House represents house 1. So house 1 is first. So house 1 is going to win. Let's see if that is going to be true. But before we go, let me ask someone who is not in the competition, who is not a contestant, what she thinks or what her idea is about the competition. Sweetheart, what's your name?
I'm Crystal.
Crystal, which house do you think is going to win?
Beckley House is going to win.
Hey, you to Beckley House. So I have 3 Beckley House with me. Which house do you represent?
I'm in Beckley House.
You are in, oh no. So because you are in Beckley House, you think Beckley House is going to win?
Oh, yeah, yes, like.
So viewers, let's go in there and see if indeed Beckley House is going to win.
Bambini time.
Wow, it's yet another day, and I welcome you to our World of Bambini show, a world of fun and education. And I'm so excited to be the one to again present to you our Spelling Bee Day. And I'm right here at Early Bird School. And then before we start everything, we have our lovely contestants from different houses. But then I'll give them the chance to mention their names and their house, because I might get it wrong, because what I'm very seeing here is very hard to mention, but then we'll try to learn from them. So my name is Rudy once again. You can call me Auntie Rudy. But before then, we'd like you to mention your name. You already know your school, so you just mention your class and the house you represent. So let's start from house number 1.
My name is Brina. I'm in class 5. I'm representing Beckley House.
Wow, Beckley House.
I'm Caroline. I'm in Form 2, and I'm representing Beckley House. I'm Akosia, and I'm in Form 2, and I'm also representing Kumaku House.
I'm Jessica, and I'm in class 6, and I'm representing Kumaku House.
I am Alvinunia Hunche Mensai, and I am in class 4, and I'm representing Abuchi House.
I'm Michael Duncan, and I'm in Form 2. I'm representing Abuchi House.
I'm Louisa, and I'm in class 6, and I'm representing Hosu House.
My name is Seth, and I'm in Form 2. I'm representing Hosu House.
Wow, indeed. So yes, I know the name of the houses now. House 1 is Beckley House. House 2, Kumaku. House 3, Abochi. And House 4, Hosu House. Every main word to be spelled goes in the duration of 30 seconds. For the bonus goes in 10 seconds. And the main spelling goes for 3 marks. Bonus marks go for 1. But then I want to give this advertisement to every school out there who want to participate in this spelling bee, as I've outlined the purpose of the spelling bee. So if you want to participate, the number is scrolling on the screen right now. You can contact us and we'll be right there at your doorsteps. So we are about to start the quiz. When I say Obiniyem, what do you say? Obiniyem. Ampa Obiniyem Adishim. So let me start with house one. Are you ready? Yes. Are you sure? So the first word, not to waste time, is contrariwise. Contrariwise. And it goes in 30 seconds. Your time is going and it starts from now.
Contrariwise. CONTRARISE.
Wrong. You have time to recorrect that. You still have time.
Contrariwise. CONT.
Our time is out. So bonus to Kumeku goes in 10 seconds.
Contrariwise. CONTRARISE.
Come again. You still have time.
Contrariwise. CONTRARISE.
Bonus to Abochi House.
Contrariwise. CONTRARIWISE.
Kumaku House, the main word to be spelled. Break a break. Break a break.
Break a break. BREKA hyphen A hyphen BREKA.
That's wrong. Bonus to Abochi House.
Break a break. RICKABRICK.
Please, come again.
R
2 hustle bonus goes for 1 mark and in 30
BREK hyphen KA hyphen BREK.
That's wrong. Bonus to Berkeley House.
Break a break. BRICKABRICK.
Again.
BRICKABRICK.
That is wrong. Break a break, we have BRIC hyphen A hyphen BRAC. And there's no K. House 4, hustle. Your main word to be spelled is Philharmonic. Philharmonic. Philharmonic.
PHILHAMONIC.
Louder.
PHILHAMONIC.
That is wrong. You still have time.
PHILFILLHAMONIC.
That is wrong. Philharmonic. Bonus to Berkeley House, house 1. Philharmonic.
FIPHIPHIL.
Bonus to Kumeku House.
Philharmonic. PHILLHARMONIC.
That's correct. Yay! Berkeley House, your main word to be spelled. That is second word for the round. We have duvet. Duvet.
Duvet. DUEVET.
Again.
Duvet. DUVEUT. DUVUET. DUVET.
So, house 2, Kumaku, your main word to be spelled is axiomatic. 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 Goes in 30 seconds.
AZIOMETIC. Axiomatic.
That's wrong. You still have time to read it.
AZIORMETIC.
That's wrong. So the bell goes. You still have time to redeem your answer.
AZIOMETHIC. Axiomatic.
That is wrong. Bonus to Abochi House. Axiomatic.
Axiomatic. AXIOMETIC.
That's say again.
AXIOMETIC.
ME. That's wrong. Bonus to Hustle House.
IZOME.
Louder.
IZOMETIC.
I. That is wrong. Bonus to Berkeley House.
AXIOMATIC.
That is F bonus. Awesome. I'm loving this quiz. Abochi's main question, that's house 3. Your word is Clydesdale. Clydesdale. In 30 seconds.
Clydesdale. Clydesdel.
Again.
Clydesdel.
That is wrong. You still have time.
Clydisdel.
That is wrong. So goes in 10 seconds. That's a bonus.
CLIDESDIC.
Clydesdale. CILDESDIL.
That is wrong.
Clydesdale. CLIDESDAL.
That is wrong. Abochi nearly got it right, but the ending part was a problem. The right word is CLYDESDALE. Hustle's main word to be spelled for the second round. We have endorphin, 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 endorphin. Your time goes from now.
Endorphin. ENDOLPHIN.
Again, endorphin.
Endorphin. ENDOLPHINE.
Come again.
Endorphin. ENDOLPHINE.
That's wrong. Bonus to Berkeley. Endorphin.
Endorphin. ENDOFIN. ENDORFIN.
That's correct for 1 point. Main word to be spelled is house 1 Berkeley. You have salubrious. Salubrious.
Salubrious. SALUBURIUS.
Again.
SALUBURIBU. SALUBURIOUS.
You still have time.
SALUBURBURRIUS. SALUB.
That is wrong. Bonus to Kumaku House.
Salubrious. SALUBRIOUS.
That is correct. Hustle's main word to be spelled. We have surmountable, surmountable, surmountable.
SAMANTABLE.
That is wrong. Surmountable.
Surmountable. SAMOUNTABLE.
That is still wrong.
Surmountable. Surmountable. SAMOULUTLA.
Bonus to Berkeley House.
Surmountable. SAMOUNTAB.
Again.
SAMOS.
Surmountable. SURMOUNTABLE.
We've come to an end of round 1.
Assim você me mata.
Maven.com.
Bambini is the best show.
Bambini.
Let's move quickly so we can move quickly.
Hustle House. We have leguminous, leguminous, leguminous.
Leguminous. LEGUMINOUS. Guminous.
Beckly. The word is guava. Guava. Guava.
Guava. Guava.
Guava.
Guafer.
That is wrong.
Quafa. Quafar. Quafar.
Guavr. Guavr. Quavr.
We have fubulist. 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 Fubulist.
Fubulist. Fubilist.
Fubulist.
Fubulist.
For 3 points. So, Abochi House, you have a third word. We have wearisome. Where
Wearisome.
Beckley's main word to be spelled. Contusion. Contusion. Contusion.
Contusion. Contuition.
That is wrong. Contusion. That is wrong. Contusion.
Contuistion.
Come again.
Contuistion.
That is wrong. Bonus to Kumaku House. Contusion. Contusion.
Contusion. Contusion. Contusion.
So, Kumaku's main word to be spelled. Main word to be spelled for Abochi House. You have mimetic. Mimetic.
Mimetic. Mimetic.
You can try better.
Mimityc.
That is wrong. Mimetic.
Mimytic.
That is wrong.
Mimetic.
That's correct for 3 points. Since we are already jubilating, let me mention the winner of today, the people of Abochi House.
Wow! Finally, we have come to the end of the round. And who do I have with me here? The Abochi group. Let's ask them how their expectations were, what they wanted to see. What did they see them?
I wanted to be the first, and when we came to the end, I saw that my wish became true.
His wish was granted. They wanted to be first, and then he came first. Okay, sweetheart, tell me something. How was it? How was the feeling like?
It was difficult. We were all sweating. There was some. We were sweating.
Sweating.
The words were difficult.
The words were difficult, but you made it to the end.
Yeah.
So you say glory to God, right? So what do you want to become in future?
I want to be a computer engineer.
Computer engineer. Okay, so in the entertainment field, who do you see as your role model? In the entertainment field, what do you like doing? Football, singing, dancing, anything?
I like playing football and watching movies.
Playing football. So who is your role model in the football team?
Lionel Messi.
Pardon?
Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi. Okay, so he's watching you. Okay, he's watching you. So say bye-bye to my Bambini kids at home. Bye-bye.
Bambini.
African girl, them bad by far. Them one by one. African girl, them bad by far.
Bambini is the best show.
Bambini
Oh, Samekai, baby, me free. Never penswa, utimietura, atumura, onimieti, no ye. Samekai, baby, me free. Never penswa, utimietura, atumura, onimieti, no ye.
Wow, guys, I'm here with my Int'l dancers, and as you can see, they are really tired. So I'm going to ask them some few questions about their moves, because me, for instance, I don't know anything about it. And what's your name?
Ifia Safwa, an old student from Elibet. I'm now in Legon.
Oh, wow. So, Ifia Safwa, how do you see this program?
Okay, I see this program to be very big and then also exciting. Now, Madam has done a lot. And she has really done well because 20 years is not an easy task.
What's your name, dear?
Irene.
Irene, what's your favorite dance about the Kete?
The Kete High Life. That's my favorite dance about the Kete.
Yeah, so were you doing that one?
Yes, please.
Okay, that's very nice of you. So please stay tuned and let's see, what's your name?
Nana Apienti.
Wow, Daddy, please, have you met your expectation?
Oh, they've more than satisfied me.
More than what you were expecting, right?
Bed has given me what I call delight, and that's more than satisfaction.
Wow. Daddy, please, can you tell us something small about Early Bird School?
I've known the school for more than 10 years. It is the first in this locality. As the name suggests, it came early. I'm not surprised that it is 20 years old. I know a number of people who have brought their children here, and I don't think a single one of those parents will say they regret bringing their children to Early.
Wow. I want to say something to our Bambini fans watching us.
Hello, Bambini fans watching. Early Bird School, the best.
one in the community. You want to dominate, you for moving your body and calculate.
I just land for Atlanta, but there's a new dance in Ghana. Last night I was teaching Obama. Hey, Trump today, any dama. This be the new type, oh, this be the new type. Don't call me, don't call me, don't call me, don't call me, don't call me. This be the new type. Hey, so 12 for the naira, 12 for the CD, 12 for the dollar. Fast pass me like Ramadan.
There's a new dance in Ghana. Gama she there, call Obama. You go feature for the corner, flow with the beat and bounce to the banga. There's a new dance in Ghana. Gama she there, call Obama. You go feature for the corner, flow with the beat and bounce to the banga. So make I show you